my first time ever to come to a truck show, and especially to show a truck.
What made you want to come out to this show, Large Cars Guitars?
The boy that painted the truck, he's wanting to show it off, Elijah. He's a bud. You do things for your bud. He wanted to show off his paint job, so here we are. My name's Richard Puckett. I own and operate High South Transportation in Banner Elk, North Carolina. I've been in business, I think, 48 years now. It's a family-owned and run business. Yeah, we started in the wrecker business, I think in 1973 or 4, and it kind of involved into playing with dump trucks along with the wreckers and the rollbacks. You never know which one you're going to be doing when the phone rings. It's kind of a gamble, so you never get too bored. Well, it's a 2002 Peterbilt 379 with a C15 Cat and a 10-speed air ride suspension. When I bought it, it had a flatbed on it for hauling lumber. The engine was disabled. They'd blow the turbo on it. The lumber yard that had it didn't want to fix it. And I bought it and repaired it. Then we decided we'd turn it into a dump truck. So we took the flatbed off, shortened the frame, put a dump bed on it, and turned it into a dump truck. And then we decided we'd paint it and fix it up a little bit. I found Elijah in Tennessee, just outside of Knoxville, at C&W Repair. And when I took it to him, I told Elijah, I said, brother, you've been painting trucks your whole life. Ain't nobody never ever let you paint a truck to suit yourself. I said, now here's your chance. The only thing I told him was, don't use no black, because I'm not a fan of black. So Elijah picked out the paint scheme and painted the truck and finished up the bodywork for us. That's kind of old school, you know, like in the late 60s, early 70s, as far as the stripes go, and then you don't have a bunch of chicken lights and lots of extras. It's kind of plain Jane as far as a lot of trucks go, but it's the way I like it. It's easy to take care of. Well, you know, I told you it was a family-owned and operated business. My son drove this truck. My son died 3 years ago. The truck sat for a long time, then it got wrecked. I wanted to fix the truck back for him. If you'll walk around to the driver's door, his name is on the door as a tribute to my son. That's the real skinny on this truck. And I'll show you something else about this truck. That stuff on the sun visor, that dollar bill and those papers on the sun visor, my son put on the sun visor when he was alive, when he drove the truck. When the truck got wrecked, I took that sun visor off the truck. That was the first piece we took off the truck. After the truck got fixed, that was the last piece that got put back on it. That piece is sacred. I wouldn't take $10 million for that damn sun visor. It's just a damn old truck. Ain't nothing that special about it. There's 10 million of these trucks out there, but this was my son's truck.